Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to channel. Today we are showing you party ready styling ideas for fox leather pencil skirts. These skirts are perfect for creating clean, bold and striking fashion looks. We will cover how to pair them with tops, shoes and accessories for maximum impact. Whether it's a casual party or a glamorous night out, these ideas will inspire you. Get ready to upgrade your wardrobe with modern chic outfit. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Let's dive in and explore these stylish looks. Start by picking the perfect fox leather pencil skirt for your party. Consider fit, color and texture. Black or deep brown are classic choices, while bold colors like red or metallic shades create impact. High waist skirt help define the waist and enhance your silhouette. Ensure the skirt is comfortable to move in, especially for dancing or mingling. A well-fitted skirt sets the base for all your stylish combination. Choose a skirt that matches your personal style and party vibe. For a bolder night party outfit, pair the skirt with a shiny or metallic top. Satin blouse or sequin tops work perfectly. Add statement heels or strappy sandals to elevate the look. Accessories like a clutch or bold earring enhance your style. Play with textures. Combine matte leather with glossy fabrics for more modern flair. Don't be afraid to try vibrant colors or glittery detail. Confidence and poise are key to carrying this strike look. Accessories make your outfit shine. Choose small clutches or crossbody bags for parties. Earring, bracelet, and ring should match the skirt. Bold vibe belts can define the waistline and add polish. Avoid overcrowding. Keep the focus on the leather pencil skirt. Layering jewelry or adding subtle metallic accent work well for striking style. Accessories should enhance, not overpower your outfit. For cooler evening, add a blazer, leather jacket, or tailored coat. Leather jacket create an edgy modern look. Blazer make the outfit sophisticated and elegant. Long coat or trench coat provide style and warmth. Layering add depth without hiding the skirt. Keep colors coordinated for a polished, clean effect. This works perfectly for outdoor event or winter parties. Now you have all the styling ideas for party ready. Fox leather pencil skirt, mix and match tops, shoes and accessories for clean and striking fashion looks. Comment below which style is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more fashion guides, hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest styling tips. Remember, confidence is the ultimate accessory. Bye.